These AI pigment mixing videos are getting hundreds of millions of views right now, and almost nobody is creating them yet. One YouTube channel has gained over 868,000 subscribers just by posting videos like these. Their most popular video has over 227 million views. Now, watch what I created using the exact same method in less than 5 minutes. No editing experience, no expensive software, just ChatGPT, Google Labs, and CapCut. Let me show you exactly how I made it. I already prepared the master prompt for you. You can download it for free from my Telegram. Paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it generates a complete video idea, 5 image prompts, and 5 animation prompts. Everything is ready to use. Now open Google Labs, generate every image. Once your images are ready, switch to video mode, upload the required images, paste the animation prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Finally, open CapCut, import all your clips, arrange them in the correct order, add text labels, then export. A few moments later, this was the final result. The best part, you can create unlimited combinations, different colors, different materials, endless viral videos. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to Artur AI. All prompts are available for free in my Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.